Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope y'all are doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful geode nail art with purple hues. All the products that I have used for this nail art tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below. Basically, I have used all shades of purple, like dark, light and a lavender shade. So let's begin. Here I'm creating a circular pattern on the outer corner of my nail, like so. It needs to be dark, so take a dark purple color. You can go light to dark or dark to light. I'm basically using the darker shade first, so I'm going with the second coat because nail polish is very sheer. Next, with the lavender color, I'm going to create another circular pattern inside the previous one. I'm just layering each color one below the other. So here is the lavender shade. And next I'm going to go with a lighter shade of purple. This has glitter in it, so like so, create another circular pattern. And now finally, with the glitter, I'm going to place it in the center and pull it a little outward, because we don't want a perfect circular pattern or anything perfect. It is a messy design, so I'm just adding some glitter and pulling it outward. There's no particular pattern to follow. And now, with the help of a thin brush, I'm just going to mess the design up. I don't want perfect circular patterns, so I'm just mixing the three shades together slightly. So here you have the first one. Now to go to the next nail, repeat the same steps. I know my voice sounds a bit different today. It sounds a little manly. It's all because of the fever and cold that I got, so I'm sorry for that. Repeat the same steps on all the other nails. So basically, geode is a clear quartz crystal with purple hues, because no one knows what's inside geode, what color formation. So basically, they are purple amethyst colors to it. So I have tried using the shades of purple here to create my geode nail art. You can basically use any colors of your choice. No need to follow the same colors that I have used here. And the other change that you can make in your nail art is by using the same glitter color, like purple glitter. I didn't have purple glitter, so I went for the silver one. So these are the changes you can make. And also guys, it would be great if you could comment and let me know what kind of nail art videos would you all like to see from my side. And it would be great also if you could subscribe to my channel, because I have been creating nail art videos since March, and also some crocheting DIY videos, and there's basically not much subscription from your part. I hope you are loving my videos. They are very short videos, so do check my YouTube channel for all these kind of videos. Once you're done, this is how your nail art will look like. So you can stop right here by applying a clear top coat, but I'm going ahead with applying a golden glitter top coat to it, because I need some shine on my nails. So instead of using a clear top coat, I'm using a glitter top coat. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you recreate this nail art, please tag me #MashakalMeNailArt, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel MashakalMe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching once again. Bye.